Excited today? Of course not. I believe that we're all excited today, for we all strive together. If you think that they failed.
To our administrators, my colleagues, to our officers, faculty and staff.
It's Archie's recognition day. Say congratulations, Archie.
He is also a recipient for award.
Hug mo si Iya, anak. Yana.
Sania Bitan. Sunshine Award, Prudent Worker Award, Great Giver Award, Gorgeous Kid Award, Patience Advocate Award. Yan is also recipient of Naturalist Award for being best in science.
Set.